Hello, my name is Natalia Willett and I am an attorney here in the state of Florida, and today I wanted to talk to you about estate planning. And the topic of choice today is, what is an estate plan? And can I just do it and forget it? Like, is it done? What does it cost? Can I afford not to have a plan? These are all questions that come up when people are thinking about doing their estate plan. So, number one, what does it cost? Estate planning, if properly done, should cost somewhere between $3,000 and $10,000, depending on the complexity of the plan that you want, right? Because it's about, what do you want for your family, what do you want to prevent, and what are your goals? So it's about what you want. Is it cheaper and much more affordable than probate? Always. 100% of the time, it'll be way more affordable for you and your family to do an estate plan than it will be to go through the process of probate litigation or guardianship litigation in the event that you become incapacitated. Can I do it once and forget it is another one of the questions. And no, much like the Constitution of the United States, your estate plan is a living, breathing document. As your life changes, so should your estate plan. It should get updated to reflect your life changes. If you had a new baby, if you had a divorce, if your significant other passed away, you need to be reviewing your estate plan. If you've acquired big assets, if your income has changed substantially, all of those are reasons that you need to review your estate plan and make sure it's updated to reflect your circumstances at the time. Can you afford not to have an estate plan? So the only time I would say you can afford not to have an estate plan is if you are simply not a person with any assets at all living in the United States. Because even if you are a person that doesn't have like things, assets, you may only have a little bit of cash in your bank accounts. What if something happens to you that you become incapacitated? Who's going to handle things for you? Who's going to have the authority to handle things for you? And so if you don't have a plan in place for that, just for incapacity itself, well, you're going to have a very, very difficult life, and so are the people that love and care about you most. So can you afford to not have an estate plan? No, nobody can afford to not have an estate plan. Even parents should be designating guardians for their children, powers of attorney for their children, so that somebody can make medical decisions for them or financial decisions for them in case of an emergency, right? All those things. So nobody can afford to not have an estate plan if they live in the United States. That is just the reality. If you want to see more videos like this, gain more information about estate planning, or just have your estate planning questions answered, feel free to reach out to us. My name is Natalia Willett, and remember, you are your family's legacy.